card in front of you. Keep it to yourself for the moment.
All right, we've got an answer here, Dick.
And we've got an answer over here.
OK. Mick thought he saw 61 teeth in Simon Cowell's head.
Janet thought she saw 44 teeth in Simon's head. Quite a difference of opinion this time. I can tell you the correct answer is 61. Mick takes that too.
Back on. What was different that time than the time before?
I counted up the time before, I guess this time.
Sheer guesswork.
Yeah.
Well, Janet, 1-1 now.
Yeah.
Whoever wins this one wins. Ready to go for it?
Yeah.
Let's get you in position then for the third and final round. And for the last time, let's see our final set of teeth. Ooh la la! Not even Simon himself knows how many teeth are in his head that time.
That was tough. That was quick, that one, wasn't it, Nick?
Yeah, very quick.
Same method as before? Have a guess?
I'm afraid so.
Hey, you won last time, don't worry about it. We've got an answer, Dick.
OK, we've got an answer over here as well.
Mick thinks he saw 67 teeth in Simon Cowell's head.
Janet thought she saw 59 teeth in Simon's head. I can tell you the correct answer is 77. Mick takes it.
That means you get to knock £10,000 off the Lambs total. All you have to do is push the button.
Sorry. Oh, Janet. Did you get lost a bit on that last one?
I did, yeah.
Did you? Was there a bit of guesswork going on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, well, well done. Thank you for playing. Let's hear it one more time for Mick and Janet, everybody. And let's see what that's done with the totals running.
It's all changed after game 2. The Lambs are now behind on £75,616, meaning that the Evans are in the lead on £84,069.
Still a long way to go. Now, it's the last show of the series, and I'll be honest with you, I know, it's sad. But Anne and I have been dying to play some of the games over the last 6 weeks, so I thought it would be nice if we could have a go at Simon Cowell's teeth. Do you fancy?
I do, yeah. Fancy that? Should we have a go? OK. And, seeing as it's Easter, if I win, right, I win,
yeah,
every man in this studio audience gets an Easter egg. How about that?
Yes! If I win, then I'll give every woman in the audience one. And then you can all have an Easter egg.
Should we do it?
Let's do it.
Can we do it? Come on, let's do it. All right.
I don't know how this... I hope it's not as fast as those last ones.
Oh, man! That scares us. Oh, right. I'm really... I was trying to play along then. I love it. Nice and quiet, nice and quiet, nice and quiet. Here we go.
OK. All right.
OK.
Let us concentrate. Here we go. Are you ready, Anne?
Yes, I am.
All right, then. Let's see our set of Simon Cowell's teeth. Right, I've got an answer. It's a guess. I'm sorry, girls. Can I just apologise in advance, girls? This is a pure guess. That'll give me chocolate, Dick.
Well, that's exactly the same. It's a guess from me as well. So don't get your hope. That's tough, that, isn't it?
That's really hard.
Damn you, Simon! That was the hardest one yet. Right, OK, then. I thought I saw 62 teeth. You know the answer, yeah? I'm mad at it. 62.
Girls, do you think it's higher or lower than 62? I think there was 57.
But you don't know the answer, The best of luck to you, because women love their chocolate.
Oh, my God, if I get this wrong, I'm sprinting out of here.
You're lynched. So it's 62 versus 57. Ronnie, can you please reveal how many teeth there were?
Well, Ant, I can tell you there were actually 63 teeth.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Shut up, you women. Shut up, you women.
I'm so sorry, girls.
But fellas, free Easter eggs. Yeah, everyone stop what the woman's gonna have to go. Oh, there you go, dear. You know. That's it. That's the end of part 2. But we'll be right back with a game that's a real song and dance. See you in a few minutes. Welcome back to Push the Button, where this week it's the Evans from Sheffield against the Lambs from Liverpool. The family with the most money after 4 games will take on Dave to try and win every pound of their total.
Right, time for our third game of the night. It's called Ukraine, You Saw, You Conquered. Johnny from the Evans and Paul from the Lambs have been training all week for this one. While they go and get ready, here's Ronnie with the rules.
Paul and Johnny have been training all week with the Mazeppa Cossack dancers. Now they must take to the stage and show off their dancing skills. When both performances are over, 100 audience members will vote for their favourite dancer, and whoever gets the most votes wins.
And here they are, Paul and Johnny, along with the Mazeppa Cossack dancers.